I know that they weren't trans in the mice, but I'm going to say something crazy. Even if they were trans in the mice, I don't care. Because it was for Alzheimer's and cancer research. Okay? If they have to trans every single mice, then that's what they have to do so that they can cure the Alzheimer's and the cancer. If I don't care.
$8 million for making mice transgender. This is real.
No, it's not real, not in the way that you think. The $8 million went to was the University of Cincinnati, the city I live in, to study transgenic mice. They're very close, I know, they sound so close to the same, they're just so much close to the transgenic is about DNA and genes and CRISPR and things that you would never understand. But for you guys, anything that has the word trans in it means that it's transgender, right? Like transact, is that someone who's inactive pretending to be active? Transport, I guess, is something on dry land that's pretending to be a port. Translate is someone who's always early, who pretends to be late. Transform is a blob pretending to have form. Transcend is someone who receives things but is pretending to send things. Trans Am is a PM car pretending to be an AM car. Transcribe is someone who can't write pretending that they can. Transplant is a rock pretending to be a plant. Donald Trump isn't smart and you believe everything he says. What does that say about you?
$8 million for making mice transgender. This is real.
Because what Trump should have said is scientists were making mice transgenic, not transgender. And as you can see here, transgenic mouse technology has revolutionized virtually all fields of biology and provided new genetic approaches to model many human diseases in a whole animal context. So as you can see here in the transgenic mouse model, scientists add human cells to mice so that when they introduce diseases and study them, these mice and their tissue react more like human tissue. And that's how we end up at a University of Cincinnati website where they're talking about their $8 million study to continue gene-environment interaction research. So yeah, Dunny, instead of stopping research where you say it was transgender mice, you actually stopped research that might help us figure out how diseases affect the human body. And you, Danielle, you bought the whole thing hook, line, and sinker just because it came out of Trump's mouth. Shame on ya.
$8 million for making mice transgender. This is real.